is where the magic happens.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm back with another video today, and I want to mess around with my OBS. And sorry about that, phone got to ringing. Yeah, so I want to start getting my seats out of this truck. I want to start doing that because I got some, well, we got some weather going on, and y'all know I don't have a garage, so I want to get rid of these bench seats. These will be for sale, great condition. I mean, literally great condition. I might keep them. I don't know, man. I might keep them because it's kind of hard to find good condition OBS stuff. So, oh man, my door. So, yeah. So that's what today I'll be doing, and throwing again the new body style seats. I won't be bolting nothing up, just, you know, getting them out the elements, and maybe we can see the vision or look that we're going for here, and you know, maybe enjoy them a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my 15 down there already, so I'm just gonna go back behind with my bar. It came out pretty easy, and get this one, and then you got another one right there. So let me get these bolts out, and then I gotta do the other side, and I think there's some bolts in the middle I gotta get out. So all right, y'all, see y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, so I got the bench seat out, and well, some cleaning up I gotta do back here, but for the most part, okay. I removed the seat belt bolts, just two of them. That holds it down. Well, it doesn't hold it down, but you'll have a kind of tough time getting a seat belt out between and out of there. So all right, let me get this bench out, and let's start getting our seats in here. All right, so I can't get jiggy with none of this, so let me get the vacuum on over here, and I'm gonna vacuum out a lot of this. It's got a lot of dog hair and stuff like that, so I want to get all this out of here before I throw these seats in here. Just give it a nice little vacuum. All right, and get back behind here and vacuum out all this stuff. So all right, y'all. All right, y'all, so I didn't vacuum it. I got some shampooing I gotta do, but yeah, that was gray. Big gray spot is then turned, you know, brightened up. I like it now. So let's go on ahead and start getting these things off in here. I'm not too sure if I need to remove this, so I'm gonna see first, but I wouldn't think that needs to be removed. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking because of the center console, but I don't think so. We're gonna see. All right, yeah, stay tuned. And guys, there you have it. You see, in there. I'll be removing that seat belt. But yeah, I'm liking it. Uh, 2018 Silverado seats and my 94. So I'll have another update. My GoPro is about to die, and so I'm gonna have to cut the video short for you guys, but yeah, looks extremely good, and I'll go over you guys what I got to do to make it bolt down and stuff like that. That's all gonna be simple, and it's a nice leg room. Looks very good. So Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.